Good morning. It's Saturday, the week after Holland, Netherlands. Or is it 2 weeks? Time moves so fast. Yeah, 2 weeks. Crazy. Yeah, it's 2 weeks because last week I was milling the siding or the cladding for the customer in Askersund. Today I am traveling just about to the other side of the village actually. So it's not an early start for me, except I didn't do everything I should be doing yesterday. So I have been taking care of some chains now this morning, and I also just packed the last stuff in the car. It feels a little bit odd because it feels like I forgot something, which I surely did, and if I did I will probably just find it out when I need the stuff. What else is new? Mirko is coming with me on this milling job. That's fun stuff. I bet he will be a good addition for me. It's always nice to be working with someone rather than alone. I also got a lot of other gigs coming in. We are going back to the oaks that I did before, Netherlands, Holland, where the bar broke and I had some struggles, the smaller oaks. I also gonna go to a bigger farm or homestead to mill some oaks in the near future. Really don't know when. I'm gonna check the calendar and give him a date. So yep, that's about it. Let's go. Together. See if it's possible.
Maybe you can move it a little bit, and then
yeah.
I can.
And then take the new grip. You think you can hold it there when we try to get rid, but
Yeah.
if we can get rid of the top piece. We forgot that. Here comes the real struggling part. Yep. And that's enough for milling. Yeah. Nice. Have you seen these chains? These are the Panther Chain Plus version, the Hyperskip Plus. It has these lines that helps you with guiding your file so you are in the right direction when you're freehanding, like I am at least, or the main guys that I mill with. Also pretty durable chains. We just hit like 4 nails in the last 2 cuts, and they take a beating. The most damaged tooth needed about 15 to 20 strokes with the file, and it looks complete new again. I'll go over it with the files, and then I will check the rakers as well and see if I need to go a little bit down with that as well. But the day is moving on pretty good, so I'm happy. Let's get on with the filing. Time to roll this guy, and I would like it to have this one flat against the earth, but it's quite a piece, 3.5 meters I think. Mirko measured it too. He got like a big tick on his leg, so and I didn't have my pliers with me, or pliers, the thing you take away ticks with. And he didn't want to do it with a chainsaw, so like they, you know, the TikToks where they open beer bottles. He didn't want to do that, so he's just a way to get it off, and he will be back. But I'm gonna try move it. And for my help is the Logosol XL cant hook, and this is a beast. I'm strong, let's just say that. And I've actually bent this bar once, and it's a good thing. You can buy them new for like $30 as a spare part, so it doesn't matter for me. And I've been flipping a lot of logs since I bent it, and it still holds. So we're gonna hold it here just to see if we would like it to have any other or like that. Some good elm slabs were milled this day. Check out this pattern. So I'm just taking it all off. The flies are in my face, but you know, I had some troubles with my chain and bars for a while, and this chain has just been worked, yeah, through two big elm logs, dry ones. It's been cutting really good and doesn't have any defects on the bottom of the chain at all. But if you see on the sprocket here, it's still hot, but you see it has some dents. So this sprocket will be needed to meet the trash bin when I get home. This one is done, and you don't want to run this even more because it will make even more damage on the bar. This is just normal tear when you're running a 74-foot bar or 188 centimeters, and you need to grind that off and then rotate the bar so you wear it evenly for maximum lifetime. But yep, this one needs to go, and we also gonna try this lifetime with a of the new star sprocket or star clutches. So yep, that's it for today's bar lessons with Xylo.